Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss about exercise 1.1 question number 2 from the book of mathematics 9th class according to new course of PTB. Question number 2 is represent the number on number line. Real number line, and then first part is square root 2. So square root 2 is a irrational number. So represent the irrational number according to triangular method, right triangular method, and according to the laws of Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, if base and perpendicular is 1, so according to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, the hypotenuse is square root 2. So draw the triangle on a number line such that the base is 1, start from 0, 0 to 1 is 1 length is a base. So draw the perpendicular of 1 at a 1, height is equal to 1. Okay, so this is, see that the triangle is right triangle. So the hypotenuse 0 to this one, this length is a square root 2. But we draw this point on number line. So such that, see, draw the arc from this point, such curve, and this is a point on number line. And this point length is square root 2. And you also calculate from 0 to this point the decimal result 1 point something, this is equal to square root 2. Okay, and student, next part square root 3. This is also just like a first part. According to right triangle pattern, apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. If hypotenuse is 2 and base is 1, so 2 square is equal to 4 and 1 square 1 plus 1, it becomes a minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 and taking the square root. So perpendicular is square root 3. So according to this calculation, so construct a right triangle in which hypotenuse is 2 and base is 1. So student, see, there is many other methods. At 0, firstly 0, draw a infinite perpendicular lines, and from this one minus 1, open the compass of length 2 and make a arc. This one, this red line. Okay, this is hypotenuse 2, base is 1. When you make an arc at this point, so student, this perpendicular line is called square root 3. So open a compass from 0 to this point, because this is a square root 3, and make an arc from this point to drag from number line. Drag from to number line, and this is a just before a 2. This point is equal to square root 3. Okay, I hope you understand this math pattern. This is a rational number. Minus 2, 1 by 7. Minus means negative. So firstly draw the number line 0, 1, 2 on right side positive number, and left number and negative number on left side. So minus 2, 1 by 7 means minus 2 is a simple integer. So this is minus 2, and 1 by 7 represent the whole number in between minus 2 and minus 3. So firstly recognize the position minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2, this is an exact number, so this one minus 2. And next 1 by 7. How to display 1 by 7? In denominator there is a 7. So the distance between minus 2 and minus 3, so divide the whole distance in equal into 7 equal parts. Okay, you can see there is 7 boxes between -2 and -3, and then 1 is obtained number out of 7. So from -2, the one box, after one box you place a point. So this point is called -2 1/7, or in decimal point you also can write -2.14. Okay, and similarly the next part, 5/8. So 5/8 in decimal position 0.62. It means this is a positive number, and from 0 to 1, firstly locate the displacement of this point between 0 to 1. Okay, and next 5/8. So 5/8 means the denominator is 8. So divide the whole distance between 0 to 1 in 8 equal parts. Okay, and requirement is in numerator 5. So mark a point after 5 points. See, 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 points you mark a point, and this point represent the number 5/8. I hope you understand this number line question. There are two irrational number. The way is triangular method, and rational numbers is a very simple method according to fractional rule. So if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel for upcoming next video lectures. Thank you for watching. Take care.